He exemplifies excellence in mentorship through his consistent efforts to bridge academia and industry together. His deep commitment to empowering young professionals, has created meaningful career opportunities for Superior University graduates both in Pakistan and beyond, from leading successful recruitment drives at Red Signal to fostering long-term collaboration with Superior Alumni and Placement Department at Cutera Aesthetics. Mr. Umar has been instrumental in shaping the professional journeys of numerous graduates. His unwavering dedication, visionary leadership, and passion for nurturing talent truly embodies the spirit of an outstanding mentor. Your contribution has earned you this honor of Alumni Excellence Award 2025. You can receive your award, sir.